Are you ready?
Yes. Then I'm going to see it.
Wait. You gotta say what you was gonna say.
I'm going to say happy birthday.
No, you gotta say hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
This is
Layla.
And this is Layla's toy box reveal. This is Layla's toy box reveal. Now what else you gonna say? No, say it loud.
Like and subscribe
To my channel. Alright, go ahead.
And we have a video.
You have a video?
Yeah.
Alright. So, let's see what's in the box.
It's too much toys in there.
There's never too much toys.
It's more in there.
There's never too much toys.
Yes, it's toys in there.
Alright. Go ahead.
It's have Legos in there.
Okay. Put this down and so we can see what's in there. Go ahead. Take the toys out. Ooh.
We have this in there.
Let's turn him on.
Oh, who touched my app?
Oh, he cursed.
He pooped.
We're going to leave him alone.
He pooped.
What's this?
That's a Lego.
The Lego windows?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll hold the Lego pieces and you take all the other toys out so we can build.
I'm building the entrance.
Jesus Christ, Layla.
Okay. Get this all these. He's getting all these empty. He's getting all these empty pieces. See all these.
Yeah, all these toys in here. That she's revealing.